If one goal is never enough, we've got the game for you. This is 5-Goal Game. Here we're working on attacking skills and finding a new attacking path when the one you're on gets blocked. Use 4 cones to create a rectangular grid and use pairs of cones placed arm's length apart to create a goal in each corner, plus a 5th goal in the center. Divide players into 2 teams, 1 in pennies. Here's how it looks. Each side sends in an equal number of players. You can play 3v3 or 4v4.
Here we go.
You play in the ball and whoever gets to it first is on the attack. Players try to pass the ball through any goal to a teammate to score. Doesn't matter which direction, as long as it finds a receiver. That goes for the goal in the center too. This makes it extra tricky for the defending team. They have 5 different goals to protect, and the only way to gain possession of the ball is to intercept or steal it. The attackers, meanwhile, have to adapt quickly to pressure by changing the goal they look to attack. If turnovers aren't happening naturally, play short rounds and switch roles to ensure all players get turns attacking and defending. Coaches, teamwork is key here. Remind attackers without the ball to keep moving. We want them finding open space near a goal so their teammate can find them to pass or score. Remember, pass to score. Find open space. Find a new path. Now you know what every goalie's worst nightmare looks like.